Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor sent me another cigar product. You know how I feel about cigar products if you watch any of my content. Love them. I'm a kind of a cigar aficionado. It's this cigar lighter by Zi-Fi. It's a newer upgrade on their standard multifunction lighter. It's really cool. I would draw your attention to the packaging is really nice. It comes in a sleeve. It says Zi-Fi. And then it comes in a really nice box. I mean, you don't have to wrap this if you're sending it somebody for a gift. It comes very, very nice. Just something that you do need to know when you buy a lighter online. It can't come filled with butane, so you do have to buy yourself a can of butane from a hardware store so you can recharge them. All right, but look at that packaging. Isn't that beautiful? So you just take the cover off, take the foam off the top. Now it did come wrapped in a bag also, but I've removed that. Then you have a little tool here for adjusting your flame. Don't have to use your fingernail. So then you look at that lighter. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful lighter. And let me tell you, when you have this in your hand, it's hefty. I mean, it feels like it's well made. It's hefty. It's a 3-burner lighter. Cool things that Zi-Fi always builds into their lighters is here's a cigar holder right there, a little notch for a cigar holder. I think that's pretty cool. What else we got here? We have a draw enhancer. You can run this down the inside of your cigar if you get stopped up, and it will increase your draw. Also, if you get down to the nub, you can put that on there, so you can do that and not burn your fingers, so that you can get every bit of that cigar. That's nice, isn't it? A window that tells you how much butane is left, and so you know when to refill it. On the end here, we have where you fill it and where you can take your tool and adjust the flame. All right. The last but not least, very cool. It does have and that's a nice wedge cutter, a V cut. And all you do to do that is you hold it in whatever whatever hand you want, and you push it. There's a little half moon here. You push it in firmly, and then just push down on the wedge firmly and quickly. And then you take a nice little bite out of it like that. Gives you a nice wedge cut. Isn't that nice? And that was, it took 0 effort to do. Very, very nice. So that's that. And then what they've done this time, which I think is pretty cool, is they've put a little Zi-Fi button on there to light it. Normally it's like down on the side where you pull something on the side or something like that. This one, you just flip it open. Triple burner. Love that. Love that. So then you can take your cigar, toast that end, get it nice and toasty. If you get it nice and toasted on the end, it will burn even, instead of just burning down the side. Nice and toasty. Turn it off, you just do that. It's all toasted on the end there. Zi-Fi. Go out and get one.